YAHOSHUAH no mamiko. If I know zafata falata katia fabilo amino YAHOSHUAH. Upuru fukile fitia. Watakureni fazantanyo. Sachazo tena tafalata. Gamini fitia vanorizuki malalo. Adoksana gira zana na lavi janori ti fuyu. YAHOSHUAH nyana da no fona nui rai rai ko. Sai kuni fata na se fana. Denu me kono YAHOSHUAH. Sita maraka no fefa no nina. Watakureni fazantanyo. Sachazo tena tafalata. Gamini fitia vanorizuki malalo. Adoksana gira zana na lavi janori ti fuyu. YAHOSHUAH nyana da no fona nui rai rai ko. Sai kuni fata na se fana. Denu me kono YAHOSHUAH. Sita maraka no fefa no nina.
Mayeno.
Mayon cara tip ko.
I greet beloved Father YAH personally, may Elia. And I greet my beloved YAHOSHUAH personally as well, may Elia. And for those who deserve as well, and those who are also following non-stop the emission, the teaching here. So YAHOSHUAH bless you all. According to what I said, as I have already said, we're going to follow. You're going to follow what is on our way, what happens on our way. You, children of God, all around the world, and also those who were already convinced. So we're going to watch first the video from me and my wife. Okay, so broadcasted technician, and after we're going to talk that the reason of all of these things. Yeah, let me talk first. Let me take for a shortly that the reason is to always to make the work of God going forward, so that the love of that God is known by people, the love of God, Father YAH, and YAHOSHUAH, the last prophet that he sent. The sound here, there is kind of a whispering, so I don't know if it's from you, Antananarivo, or where does it come from? There is a strange noise. Is it clear from you? Okay, so fix it. So fix it, children. Okay, was it removed or not? Or is there still? It's kind of it's Zoom. Is it really from us? Okay, let's just make it mute and just watch the video. Now it's okay, sir. Yeah, it's now removed, sir. The audio feedback was so loud, so it's from us then. So the goal is to make sure that people know YAHOSHUAH. We have seen that lots of people are calling YAHOSHUAH on the internet. And children of God, I say to you, it's better if we watch our website, because we are making sure that people know YAHOSHUAH and destroy these imitators which is spreading on the internet. They're all on the internet now. So you must you have to get optimize the website YAHOSHUAH TV. So that is first one. So that is YAHOSHUAH TV. So you must optimize it. or the RTV YAHOSHUAH as well. You have to optimize it as well. Yeah, rtvyahoshua.com. That means that you type YAHOSHUAH because that's what people know, YAHOSHUAH, and you optimize them well. You children of God around the world. So that is your work from today, because we are following from India in New Delhi, and it's something different which appears on the website, but it's the real YAHOSHUAH. It's down. It's really down there. It's at the bottom. So even as we are, it's difficult for us to teach people, because when I teach, we show this website to people. So everybody try to make efforts from today, from the moment I am speaking. So it's our work in YAHOSHUAH that we do all. So it's for Father YAHVAH, the God of Abraham, that we must make sure that the work goes on. So we all must make sure that this website go on, and you don't stop to optimize this website during 1 month until I said stop now, that's enough. But you must optimize the YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. That is the first one, YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. So that is already a website which is already published, YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. So YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH will be optimized with that. That's why we must optimize YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. That is the first one. And the second one is you must optimize as well YAHOSHUAH. You click YAHOSHUAH and you have to look for the RTV YAHOSHUAH. So you must look for the RTV YAHOSHUAH. So these were two websites that you're going to optimize so that it is fluid. That is also available for RTV YAHOSHUAH. So it's these three that you must optimize, because it is really needed quickly for the work here, because everybody who listen to that teaching will look for that, whether they're in Africa or everywhere. So you must make efforts quickly from today once this emission is over. So that is the word that is I give you today. So I encourage you so that you all going forward and be courageous, and no one will be courageous. Even I'm not courageous in going to a place, unknown place. And how you should be for you, how you should not be discouraged. You in where you are in the local cameras, America, China, Togo, everywhere, because you are a lot following. So I emphasize, it's time to support the work of YAHOSHUAH now, to destroy imitators who are sinners. But because what's surprising is they are always sinners, and they cannot get away from being sinners, and also they observe the 10 Commandments, and they cannot be perfect. That's how we are different, and being in the true name of YAHOSHUAH. The true name of YAHOSHUAH. You never sin, you never do something bad, you are perfect. That is something great. Today I was with someone in India that I have talked to you, a driver. Even he's really happy, even just seeing our behavior, and he is so happy, and he is satisfying seeing us, and he's surprised finding someone like us. And today, he is like, I am your family. He said that directly. So we're going to send our videos from here. So we're going in that website. These humans are, our work is so in a hurry. Yeah, today I'm going to put a scripture in our website, because we always forgot to put that. And also, I asked Ali to put that scripture when this time is over. YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. It's on the YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. So we must put the same scripture in on our website. On YouTube, they always watch teaching, but it's the starting of us that we must make clear where this YAHOSHUAH started. And we are going to also talk about Elia, what happens in the Holy Script, Holy Kingdom, explaining in a short word, so that people follow YAHOSHUAH, the original one, not the fake one. So all children of God, make effort so that this is broadcasted quickly, so that people around the world can hear that. That is needed. That's why I say that. But because I know that that is a plan of devils, so that people don't watch the true name, the true thing in our website. So they change people's mind like they already know that. So we must destroy that. We must optimize the work of YAHOSHUAH on the first page. We're going to optimize it on the first page. That is a quick task, and a task which is a homework that we must do from today. So from here, technician, you can broadcast the video. Even me and my wife, we are watching from India. I have to notice that we are in New Delhi, in the capital of India. So let's go, show a technician so that we can watch. First of all, I greet all who are following the emission travel. Voyage. You are following with me. You are following it with me. And with the ambassador. And with this driver, this as well. That's it. We are in India now. So this is India. As we can see, India are driving so fast. So sorry because I forgot to. We forgot the tripod to take pictures, so the video is not stable. So there is no mistake from tour with the mountain, but Rufan will bring it when he left from there, so that the video and communication will be stable. So this is how. Maybe your eyes are tired that it is so fast, and I hope that running to Yalia will be so fast, so all the spirit will run at the board. Or what do you think, Tali? That Elia is arrived. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, I'm included. Yeah, we are tired, but we still go. I am flattering myself. So here is it. There is nothing much to say, but the road is clean, but we haven't got to the dirty one, but it's merely 6,700. Yeah, here the tire is 4 as usual. The road is yeah, as usual. That's it. It's kind of, there is no car which is in the opposite direction, but every cars run into the same direction. Yeah, thanks for your visit. Please visit again. That is the sign. So it's a thank you for the visit, and always visit. So that's it. The number of the car. Yeah, it's always a 1, 2, 3. So this is India, and you're going to tell to everyone that you were from India and you have seen something like that. We don't know what he said. Green country. Green country. He said green country. Hotel. It's a 5 stars hotel. That's what he said. 5 stars. So that is it. So these are Indian people. If you don't know them, they are walking on the side. Yeah, voila. So it's a traffic jam. Traffic jam. That's it. That means it's boring and tiring as well. There's a traffic jam. Now we're, yeah, the language is mixing now. There is a Korean language in India. Green country. That means, yeah, the jungle. Yeah, the jungle. The jungle. That is the jungle. So here is the hotel. 5 stars. So if you send us in, it's wow. Yeah, we cannot afford it. Voila. So that is it. Yeah, maybe my video is so fast, but that is the speed of our car. So here we are running after a time. In general, it's great. Yeah, there is a glass in front of my picture, so the window is closed. So don't be surprised if my the video is bad. It's not my phone which is bad. Even my phone is great. So it's always green forest so far. So I'm going to bring you watching a tiger and elephant. So this green is jungle. So it's in that you can find Tarzan. Yeah, there are animals in. So if you want me to bring, and I'm going to bring it, and it's animal police which yeah, it's such a shame that you got a diploma and you were a police of animals. That's how is it. No, they always have animals' behavior. They don't have anything to do but running after animals. When they are running after humans, they are still like running after animals. Now we see house like world built, but it's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, the jungle is not still ending. It's so long. Yeah, it's so long. That's it.
From Indira Gandhi, will you have to return from Delhi on Monday? Huh? Will you have to Early morning at 8. Okay. At 8 morning we go.
Is it okay for you?
You want to fly? You want to see? Nous n'allons pas quitter Delhi. Nous allons aller voir les éléphants, les tigres mortels en Malaisie.
So we're going to watch the elephant on Monday. It's so hot. from here. However, it's cloudy. It's cloudy and it's not on the border. However, there is no water. There are lots of forests. I don't know what are these things that they sell. Yeah, it's crowded. So that is it's park. It is expected to be a park.
What is this?
Oh, give it to him. That is it. It's kind of an Eiffel Tower. It's not the Eiffel Tower. I don't know its name. It's in French. It's in France. So this is a strange video, a strange picture, but in Indian, Indians are cleaning someone's ears, and if you were distracted, they're going to clean your ears. Yeah, they are ears cleaners with these cotton on their ears, and if you are distracted, they're going to touch your ears. So this is the waiting from here. That is attending, waiting. That's it. So they are attending, they're going to attend in a wedding, a marriage. Yeah, they are wearing uniform when they are getting married. So where is their wedding? Okay, so that is a piece of work of a mom. It's a mom who did it. It's a test according to what she said, as she said it. It's a test. it's a test of mom about sending the video. There are two videos for radio and TV, and the second one is yeah, we are. But the greatest thing is to preach to inhabitants of India. They got a language, Hindi language, and their second language is the English language. But it's difficult to talk with them, but we don't know. Yeah, that is the truth. We don't really know how to keep in touch with them. But we always try so that the communication is continuing between me and them. So as you know, as you already see about the travel, as I already told you, he said that he's our family now. He's so happy seeing them. He saw that it's so amazing to be with us. He doesn't know much anymore because it's today that we have met, but we have seen how we are together. But in general, it's great to be with the people in India. It's so great. That is in general. But we are going to still send you the news about the work of YAHOSHUAH, the videos. But it's from Monday that we are going to send you new videos, because we are going to on Monday we are going to see about animals, and also on our way we are preaching, and on Tuesday we are looking on the market, and at the same time we are preaching, and we're gonna see how it will be. But here it's difficult. It's difficult to preach here because people here they got no book. They got nothing, so that we used to convince them that this thing is not false, and they believe the God that they worship, and they believe it so hard. And we have seen as well yeah, we are going to take picture as well. What happens here? We are going to try as well when we preach. We are going to send you the picture if they accept to be taken video. We're going to share everything here to say that YAHOSHUAH, the true one, is arrived, not the one that you broadcast. Whoever they don't get result, they produce people who are serious. But you know that Yahweh, the God of Abraham, with Eliah, his son that he sent, he is able to remove people's sin and make people's never sin and become perfect that they never sin. They hate sins. That's what people surprised. That's what makes people surprised. How can that be possible that you never sin? But that is something that we live. We are living with that. And how? Why? Why do you deny that? That is already something we live. Yeah. The driver our driver is we're surprised with what our driver said, because he said that I am your family member from now, because he's so happy with our behavior. We don't hesitate to talk with him, to be with him, and he's so happy. And what we do also here is to show people the goodness of YAHOSHUAH through our behavior, the way we are with them, and they are so surprised, they are astonished. This is how the Malagasy behavior. Yeah, that is the behavior of Malagasy that we show. Malagasy is chosen. It's a pride for the Malagasy country, and it's so great, the environment of Malagasy. We have shown that this is how we are, and we use, as you see, we were with them. But what we don't want is they were about to touch our ears. No, that is not okay. And we were like, no, don't do that like that. But that's how they make their money. They are cleaning people's ear. especially foreigners like us, like me, like us. And they were running after our ears so that they can clean with these cotton. Yeah, and that what happens here. It was a little bit surprising seeing what they do. So that is the news that we can say, but I always encourage children of God. Eliah is already gone. Eliah is already working. In Comoros, we could not do something like that because the situation there was a little bit complicated, but the next time, I think, in the time we go back there, we're going to take picture as the same we were here everywhere we go. So we're going to try to show everything where we go, everywhere. Me and my wife and also the children who are with me. Yeah, there is also another friend who is going to follow us apart from Tali. That's why Sriana said that one will bring another camera and also the handle so that we can take great picture. So on Monday we're going to see elephant, a tiger on Monday. I don't know if there got lion here, but we're gonna see. So we're going to see that on Monday. So that is, we are also looking at the place where should we go. We are in the capital and we don't know where are these people. Well, we are going to look for them. So so far we are in a hotel because we are still looking for a place where should we dwell because in Comoros we already got a house to dwell. We already got a house for rent that we are using to work for YAHOSHUAH in Comoros. That means that Eliah dwells there when he arrives there, and also the evangelist also will dwell there. They are going to go there because there are already evangelists who are going to go there in Comoros. It's in the next week. They're going to go there next week. So that is happening for the work of YAHOSHUAH. So that's also we're going to emphasize, encourage also Yasu and Felix, so that they carry on for the work of YAHOSHUAH in Togo, so that both of them are not distracted, but they are going to work so hard. Evangelists should not sleep, but work so hard for the work of YAHOSHUAH. So for the evangelist. But Eli always open the work, and that's why I am opening and going around the world. And I already kind of know the country that I go after India, but we don't say that already because that is the law that YAHOSHUAH gave to Eliah. It's when you are there that you say you were there. And when someone knows that, you must not say it because you will be punished in YAHOSHUAH. Like we're going to go there and you must not tell them until Eliah is there. Yeah, that is for people who already know. So you cannot tell that until Eliah is arrived to the place. So that is a law that YAHOSHUAH has established. Yeah, for that. So that is what we can say for today. So I encourage children of God around the world and those who are convinced. It is broadcasted on internet and also send to your friends, especially Malagasy, that everywhere we go, people are so happy that Malagasy are sociable, they are friendly. So that is it. It's so great. So we're going to explain it later. How will be the result? What is the result of the preaching? Because we're going to go to the ministry next week. Yeah, I don't know. We must go there anyway. In the interior of Ministry of Interior for the church in India, like we did in Togo, in Comoros also. So that's we're going to go to do in India, because we are going to try to finish the papering in the country that once we get in place. So the words will be spread and broadcasted all around the world, as YAHOSHUAH said to go. But in the place where we don't go, we don't know, but for the place we go, we must finish that. That's why I say to the children of God, support it, because the work must get done, and we must do it. Because we know, it's we who know the fact that when you follow Yahushua and Father Yavai, you never sin and you are perfect. That is the purpose of that teaching. Here we don't know yet how to talk with these people who don't use Bible, who don't use anything. However, they believe in their God clearly, and they are, you cannot convince them easily, and they got their own power as well. But what happens here, as we noticed, and it's them. So that is difficult. So we have to adapt, because you don't know what to eat. It's from now that you were arrived and you don't know where's the shop and the people serve your food, and so we should adapt with it, and we remove the spicy ones, but we add the less spicy. So that is the news from here, and I always keep repeating my words for children of God. Just try so hard, make lots of efforts, especially you who raise. It's a proof to you there is a reason that this thing is happening. The ambassador of Yahushua is the ambassador of Yahushua, preaches Father Yavai Yahushua. It's normal that he spread it around the world. But how can you spread the Ten Commandments? How can you spread that? Because it's already for the people of Israel. If you're spreading Ten Commandments, you are breaking the law. You are working with devils. But what Eliah is doing is following the law. This is the good news for the people around the world. This is what Eliah does. That's why I tell you who are looking for helping the work of Yahushua. It's what Eliah is doing, making people free, sin-free, and to draw people to become perfect. And people who follow Eliah are perfect, because Eliah is the first one who is perfect on our planet, and that is obvious. So that's how I call you all. Come back. Let's come back to Yahushua and Father Yayava. Let's go and be courageous to carry on, to support the work of Yahushua. As I say to you, children of God, you got the cup. The cup to make the work of Yahushua going forward. That is the work of Father Yavai Yahushua. You got the cup. So you as well, whoever you are, you can participate. Whoever you who are listening to me through this internet, international, you can hear us. You can hear my voice on the radio, on the TV, on the internet. Support the work, because it's about supporting now. Support the work. For example, maybe you say, we are not following you as well. This is something good, though. Even you support something which is valuable as. And how much you should support someone who made people perfect and holy. That is something great. So come to the love of the true God, to get people back, and also you were included when you were supporting, so save your soul as well. So everybody is saved. You save people, and you're going to lose yourself. No, don't do that. Save people and save your soul as well. So I encourage all Malagasy who are convinced, do the support the work, and after that come to Yahushua, enter in Yahushua, because the work of Yahushua is already ongoing around the world. That is already happiness. What is the work of Yahushua that you do? To bring people to become perfect and to never sin. And Malagasy people may say, even now I'm not perfect, and I'm not still in the fact that I never sin. So how can we support you who are overseas? No, don't do that. Just enter and support the work of Yahushua, and you enter as well to become perfect. Don't you wish for that thing? You become perfect. That is the goal of religion. Look at how Eliah dares. It's in the unknown place that he goes. There is no preparation. Even the hotel, there is no hotel. From Madagascar, there was a hotel that we want to go. There is no hotel. But the great thing is YAHOSHUAH has prepared our trip, and people said, come here, come here. And when we get out of the airport, we haven't seen the airport. Where is the airport? Who is supposed to take us, to pick us up? But thank you to Father YAH, YAHOSHUAH. He helped us, and it's someone who helped us on our way. And now we are in a hotel. Yeah, we have sent to Madagascar the name of hotel, but I don't know the name of the hotel. Yeah, the name of the hotel is already sent to Madagascar. So that is the news for the Jordan of God, the Seda. Glory be to Father YAH, YAHOSHUAH, beloved Father YAH, YAHOSHUAH. We're going to make sure that Father YAH, YAHOSHUAH are happy. As we see, Elia is so ready, and he is a model for all humans. This is the God to be worshipped and to be celebrated, and should be broadcasted to the world. The real Savior who shed his blood on the cross, and people who follow him become someone who never sinned and perfect. That is surprising for the people. How can that be possible? That is possible. We are living in there. We are already living in there, and it is so. It makes us happy to be with YAHOSHUAH, and that is for us. We are joining people to come to YAHOSHUAH. Come to YAHOSHUAH. It's so amazing. How can't we do that if there is no YAHOSHUAH who help us? If there is no beloved Father YAH who help? And you may say, why does you say that he helps, and why do you still say supporters? Yeah, it's normal. Why don't you support? Doesn't that makes you happy to save spirit? In case that will save you as well. If you're coming, if you're not, you can. If you save people, the other people, why don't you save yourself? Yeah, so come to YAHOSHUAH, enter. So, YAHOSHUAH bless you all. That's how I end my word. So, tomorrow we enter, let's say, at 9, because it's difficult with the time. You were, 2 hours, 30 minutes. We are 5. So here, it's 9, and it's, for you it's still 6:30 a.m. In Togo, it's at 3:30 at night. Here, though, it's at 9 a.m. So just imagine the difference of the different time zone. So it's plus 5 hours and 30 minutes, the difference of the time, the delay of the time between Togo and India. So in Togo it's at 9, and here it's already at 2:30 p.m. So you see the delay, yeah, but that is not a problem. But we always make efforts to make the work of YAHOSHUAH done. We must always make sure that YAHOSHUAH is happy, and the blood of YAHOSHUAH must be honored. It must be honored for the glory of beloved Father YAH and YAHOSHUAH, who were destroyed by devils, evil-minded, going to hell. They must be destroyed, and humans must be saved. That is the only thing that Elia knows. Humans must be saved, whom YAHOSHUAH shed their blood for. Because YAHOSHUAH has saved all around the people around the world, not only Israelian. But for 10 Commandments, there is nothing, why do we bring it to India? What is the purpose to bring it to India? But African part, there are the 3 parts, Madagascar, Togo, and Comoros is the 3rd. And other nations, the first of them are India. So it's an Asiatic part. We are surprised. I was I thought that it was China, but we are surprised that it's India. The way Yahushua laid it is so different. Glory be to Yahushua and Father Eva. So don't forget the internet. We must type on the Google. You must type in the Google, and you must optimize, carry Yahushua up. Yahushua, you must look for Yahushua, and you must look at Yahweh Yahushua. It's our website, Yahweh Yahushua TV. So when you are typing Yahweh, it will appear. You click on Yahushua, it will appear. That's why we must optimize Yahweh Yahushua TV. Look at that, Yahweh Yahushua TV. So we must optimize that. The second one is you click on the Yahushua RTV. Yahushua RTV, that's what you are going to look for. So you're going to look for that below. That's why you optimize it. Yahushua TV, that is the first one. And the second one is Yahushua RTV, and the third one is RTV Yahushua. It's these three that you're going to optimize quickly. Urgent. That is really urgent, because when we preach, it cannot be found, and we are in trouble here, and we're not going to make people in trouble. Devils, we're going to make them discouraged, and for that, when they look for Yahweh or Yahushua, it's our website which will appear. So that is the reason. So Yahushua bless you. Always be courageous and hold on well for the work of Yahushua. And that is what is the work that you are going to do. You have to make sure that the work in the internet optimized. And don't stop during 2 months, 3 months, every day. You must do that. You just buy a few credit and just look at it and visit the internet, and the number of the view will be increased, and it will optimize, because it destroyed the work. When we say click the Yahushua, because we are preaching Yahushua, beloved Yahweh, however they cannot find it, they will find someone else. So it's a fake website which will appear, and evidently it's a fake one, so it's not okay. But it must be ours which will be spread in. So use it all around the world. You must optimize it every day, non-stop, until it gets to the number one. That's it. So I hope that you understand. So after the 2 months, it will be non-stop. Every day it will be homework. It will be our task until Yahushua appears on the heaven. We're going to make it on the YouTube. So you just watch it, just 1 minute, and that's okay. Just 1 minute and it's okay. That's it. You watch on Yahushua TV, Yahweh Yahushua TV. That is our website. Yahweh Yahushua TV, Yahweh Yahushua TV. So on YouTube, I am talking about YouTube, so you can watch there. So we're going to live the work of God. Now, I'm going to emphasize that tomorrow, but now, tonight, we do that. We optimize these three websites. They're the Google website, Yahweh Yahushua TV. You must look for that, because it's the Yahushua that you're gonna find, Yahweh Yahushua TV. We must optimize that. It optimizes Yahweh Yahushua TV. The second one is Yahushua RTV. You click Yahushua and Yahushua RTV will appear. The third one is RTV Yahushua. It's these three that you're going to optimize. That is for our beloved Father Yahweh Yahushua. So we are in a hurry, because that is supporting the work of Yahushua. So Yahushua bless you for our next meeting tomorrow. We enter at 9 because we're going to make it a little bit earlier, because it's kind of late to broadcast the word from here, because there is a different time zone. So because if it's If it's at 12 in you, from you, so it's already 2:30 here in India. In Togo, it's still 9. And you can see that it's 9 a.m. in Togo, and here it's already 2:30 p.m. So there is a great delay. So we're gonna see what to do. Yahushua bless you for tomorrow. Goodbye.